Welcome to my channel and join me on this platform. Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. This verse makes me to understand that we humans are never limited. Limitation does not exist in your DNA. You are only limited if you operate from the confine of this world. But we have a higher frequency, and when we tap into that higher frequency, anything is possible, and we can never be stopped. Now in Philippians chapter 4 verse 13, Apostle Paul conveys several key interpretations. Number one, divine empowerment. At its core, this verse emphasizes that true strength and capability comes from a relationship with Jesus Christ. Number two, faith in action. In order to have anything established, you need to tap into a higher frequency from the supernatural through faith. Now, what is faith? In Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1, it says, now faith is the substance of things hoped for and the evidence of things not seen. Now, in this verse, I clearly understand in Hebrews chapter 11 verse 1, you cannot see what you're supposed to accomplish on this planet with your physical eyes. But you have to tap into a higher frequency that is not of this world, a God-given frequency that can do anything in you. Now, this verse serves as an encouragement to all believers that with faith, they can tackle life challenges, pursue their goals, and fulfill God's calling as Christ empowers us to do. Number three, holistic application. Now, Paul says in Philippians, I can do all things. The word all things signifies that your strength is not limited to spiritual tasks alone, but encompasses all aspects of life, such as personal growth, relationships, and challenges. Now, it encourages believers to take bold steps in faith. Now, above the overall, Philippians 4:13 serves as a powerful reminder of believers' reliance on Christ for strength and the capacity to strive in various life situations. With this, I want to encourage someone today, because you try and they make it doesn't mean that all is lost. Because things looks difficult for you now doesn't mean you should give up on your dreams. Look, I want to tell you this. A lot of people are depending on you to wake up and wake them up from their dream world. God has given you to this planet to transform your generation. Now, you did not arrive on this planet by mistake or by accident. You came here for a specific reason. So don't allow your current situation to stop you from what you are to do here. Now, if you give up on your dreams and don't move, you are not just killing yourself or die unfulfilled, but you will also kill the generation that God has assigned to you to lead, to mentor, to shape, to process. Now listen to this. When Moses was thrown out of the palace, I believe for Moses all was lost, because Moses grew up in royalty and he lived in the palace all his days. So leaving the palace to nowhere is a sign to Moses that all was lost. But I believe when Moses was really disappointed and thought that all was lost, he didn't know that God himself was leading him for a better and a higher calling. Now, that problem, that failure, that disappointment you've had, it's God's way of molding and making you to have a testimony that will transform lives. There are always tests. Now, you are about to burst into your purpose. You are an asset and not a liability. Not happening now doesn't mean it will not happen. That business failing now doesn't mean you are a failure. That marriage failing now doesn't mean you are a failure. All is a process, and when that process has been completed, your laughter is for real. Now listen to this. When you tried and failed, try again. If you still fail, try again. In all, keep moving and don't give up. Try a little bit harder and harder and harder and harder. Your blessing is around the corner and it's for sure. This is a year to reap everything that has been stolen for you. If you believe it, type in the comment section. I believe it, I receive it, and amen. God bless you. I want to ask you personally to kindly subscribe to my channel. By subscribing to my channel, you are encouraging me to bring more messages like this. Also like the video, and your comment will also help others. Your comment on the video or every video on this platform is much important. Also, whatever you will want us to discuss on this platform that will help others to gain understanding, please write it in the comment section. Also, if you have not watched any of my video, at the end of this video there will be a link pop up. Click on any of the videos to watch, like the 2 most important days in your life. Keep your secret to yourself, and many more. Share this video to everyone and anyone you know. Thank you, and God bless you. Shalom, peace be unto you.